Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I am so excited about today's video because Spiritual Goodies, the subscription box, reached out to see if I wanted to feature their new Mother Earth box on this channel, and of course I said yes because I honestly loved their box that they sent me. I believe it was back in March. So if you wanted to take a look at that, I'll link it in the eye up here. But let's talk about what this is. So this is a magical subscription box to get you connected with spirituality, hence Spiritual Goodies. So this features 7 magical items to help you connect with Mother Earth, because this box is all about grounding and connecting to Miss Gaia. So 7 magical items, an affirmation card, ritual ideas, and there is about an $86 retail value in this box, but they start out, if you want to do a month-to-month subscription box plan, at $39.99. And then if you want to do like a 3-month, 6 or 12 months, it's priced accordingly, as well as the more months you purchase, the bigger the discount. And so speaking of discount, they did offer you guys a $10 off your first box, and the code will be down in the description box below, as well as where you can purchase and all of their social media, because I honestly, they're so great. I really do appreciate them reaching out again. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Ooh. Okay, here is, oh, it looks like this is the affirmation card. I am anchored and connected with Mother Earth. Oh, I love that. And it's just like cute enough to where you can sit it where you use your affirmations or meditation space, or you can put it on your vanity or wherever you like. I like little sizes like that. That's so great. And so here is the little booklet. Ooh, okay. Oh, so it tells you exactly what's in here, and then a little bit about it. We even got suggestions, and then how to perform an earth ceremony, and then a spiritual teacher spotlight. I love that so much. Okay, we owe Mother Earth many thanks for this life. She is the creator of everything we require for nourishment, wholeness, and happiness. Earth is the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the water we drink. She is all that supports us and sustains life. By giving thanks and showing our respect, we invite her to bless us with even greater abundance. Here are 6 simple ways you can say thank you and reconnect with the earth and all she has to offer us. So sound, an earthing ritual, nourish yourself. That's a great one. Journaling, bring more earth elements into your home, and take a tour through nature. And then we also have their socials down here too. I love this. It gives you a clear idea of what you are receiving and how to use them. I love, love, love. Okay, let's get into it. I was trying not to peek at everything that was in the booklet. And oh, what is this? Okay. It was also very nicely wrapped. This whole package came in bubble wrap, which was nice. Did not have an issue with anything leaking so far or broken. Love it. Okay, this looks like a tincture. Ooh, the woods oil. Roll it onto your wrist, neck, and temples. Inhale and enjoy the beautiful scent of natural perfume. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's just get rid of this. Oh, look at all the pretties. Okay, cute. Okay, so we have a little chime candle holder here. And then look at our little chime candles. Oh, so we have a green. It looks like a brown. I'm thinking that's a brown, and an orange. Awesome. Ooh, and I like that they're all like separately bagged, but there's not an excess of packaging materials. It all looks recyclable. Oh my gosh, is this moss agate? Moss agate leaf, yeah. Oh my gosh, to me, that's worth it right there. I love this. I've been obsessed with moss agate and tree agate lately. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look, this little offering bowl. So for me, I love these subscription box ideas because, first of all, it's stuff that you would never buy yourself because if it's me, I think I don't need it. I don't really need to spend money on it right now. But at the same time, it's stuff to help your spiritual practice. And it might be hard for you to go out and find these items on your own. Some places don't have spiritual stores or metaphysical shops or anything like that. So it makes it hard go out and, purchase these items. So it's easier to get a subscription box because it's a themed thing and it has everything you need in order to, grow your practice. And it's also like a fun surprise every time you get to open up your box. It's like, oh, what are we getting today? Ooh, okay, I got to figure out what this is. So this is a tree of life tile. Represents strength, fortitude, wisdom. Oh, this tile can be used as a focal point to draw energy onto an altar table or into a ritual space. That's really cool. I also like how this looks like lungs because, tree of life. Oh, we get a little spoon. I love these. So you can use these to put your offering in the offering bowl. You can use these for mixing anything, tea, whatever you want. It's your special spoon. Oh, what is this? A little book. The Little Book of Nature Blessing. Myths, rituals, and practices for finding calm in the natural world. Oh my gosh. And see, to me, this is something I wouldn't buy myself because it's one of those, I don't need it, but what a wonderful thing to receive. And this is such a great gift idea, especially since you can do month to month. So you can literally purchase this as a gift for somebody for 1 month. And then if they like it, then they can continue on with it themselves. Or, you can purchase this for yourself for a month. I love that it's themed around, something. And that makes it so much easier to feel connected to the box because there's a general theme and something going on to where you know where to focus the energy and what the purpose is for these items. I really like this. I think this is wonderful. Again, all of this is stuff that I wouldn't have gone out and purchased for myself, but I do appreciate each and every one of them. I think each item is beautiful. I mean, look at this little offering bowl. I got to make sure we see what it's made out of. This is so great too, because it gives you exactly all of the information you need. Green onyx offering bowl. There are so many possibilities when you make an offering to Mother Earth. Offer up whatever feels right to you, but here are a few suggestions to place in your bowl. Flowers or petals, crystals, dirt, water, pebbles, grain, tree bark or small twigs, leaves, or sand. And it gives you where they purchased or gathered this for this set too, and the retail value. So you see exactly how much it's going to add up to before it's given to you. I love this. Thank you so much to Spiritual Goodies. And honestly, they are so sweet. They are so kind. I keep getting more and more impressed with them. Follow them on social media. They will let you know when the next box is about to drop and what the theme is. Again, what a wonderful gift. We're getting to that time of year where we're going to starting to have to think about what we're going to get people, and this takes the guesswork out of all of it. It is one complete cohesive gift. And again, treat yourself. It's that time of year too for you. So again, this is such a great idea. I highly, highly, highly recommend them as a whole, as a company. Nothing but sweetness and amazingness, and how they gather up their products is great too. Source that, I should say. And again, $10 off your first box with code WICKED10, and I will link that in the description box below. Again, with all of their other social medias and where you can purchase this, I highly, highly recommend checking them out. I'm just so tickled. It's so sweet. Like a book, something that I wouldn't have ever thought to purchase for myself. I'm really excited about everything, about all the ritual ideas, and I'm so tickled. It's so sweet. So let me know what you guys think. I really love the idea of a subscription box, and I'm totally excited about this one just because it makes so much sense to me. It does. And I'm totally in love with all of this. So excited. All right, I'm going to stop gushing on about all of this. But again, let me know what you guys think and if you're excited about this. And thank you guys so much. And thank you to Spiritual Goodies again. What a wonderful, wonderful idea. I'm so tickled about it, and I can't thank you enough. So that being said, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Thanks for spending your time with me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.